This is my new soldering iron kit. It comes with solder, I think, then coil, springy thing, a wrench, rubber things, a wire, 2 screwdrivers, tweezers, and a PCB, and electrical tape, then red electrical tape, a paintbrush that has golden hairs, and then some scissor thingies, a soldering iron holder, screwdriver bits, I think flux, and then a piece of wood, more coil. Then there's also this thingy that I think is really weird. It's like, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's a flux pusher. Like it pushes the flux. And then of course the soldering iron. So that's basically all for today's video, and bye guys.